Hello. When I was in 5th grade and when we had a math test, is it okay now? Okay, I start again. When I was in 5th grade, I think so, then when we had a math test, then my math teacher gave some of the tests to me so I could grade them. And then I thought that grading is the best part of being a teacher. Now when I have grown up and I also am a teacher, then I know that grading and assessing is the hardest part of being a teacher. For me there is 3 reasons for that. First, it's extremely time-consuming. Second, it's really hard. And third, every time I have to grade something, then I just want to pull out my hair. Latest troubles I have had with assessment is related to my doctoral studies. I have only been a doctorand for about 80 days, so I don't have big results. But I have to assess this project, statistical renewal project between Estonia and Wolfram, and assessing a project in a large part comes down to assessing the students. And there are mainly 2 things I want to assess. First is their attitudes towards statistics and how does CBM changes these attitudes. And also I want to assess their skills. And seems like that it's more easy to assess their attitudes, but it's more hard to assess their skills, because I don't want to assess, like, for example, we have seen before the binomial formula, like, can they use this formula? I want to assess, like, more important skills. I think the problem with the current assessment system is, well, like everybody have said already, that we assess too much facts and computational procedures. And why we do it? Well, first, because it's more easier, and also our exam systems supports that. At least it is so in Estonia, and I think it's also so in here. But I think that the problem isn't only with the assessment, because, for example, if well, let's say in Estonia we have 1 course and it's like 35 lessons, and if all these 35 lessons, which I as a teacher just teach them how to like make these computational procedures, then it's normal that I also assess them, because we assess what we teach. But if we want to assess like critical thinking and understanding, then we also we also have to start teaching critical thinking and understanding about concepts. So I believe that we can't start changing the assessment system. We have to change like this whole course plan, course design. And there's usually 3 parts of a course design: learning outcomes, teaching methods, and assessment. So we have to change all of them. And now when CBM comes along, then I think we are already on the halfway, because with CBM, I believe it changes the learning outcomes, and it definitely changes the teaching methods, because with CBM we have computers to do the calculating for us. So we can teach other things, and then also we can assess these other things. Yeah, but I still, I share the same opinion with you that it's hard to assess it anyway. But okay, thank you.
Thank you.